Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you 3 ways you can use Google Lens for communication. Whether you're in the office, training session, or at a networking event, Google Lens is a game changer in turning your images into actionable digital information that can help you streamline your workflow as well as your communication. Here are 3 practical ways you can use Google Lens in a professional setting. 1. Extracting text from images. Ever found yourself needing to pull information from a printed document, handwritten notes, or notes written on a whiteboard? With Google Lens, you can easily extract text from images, allowing you to copy and paste these into your reports, emails, presentation, or share it on social media. 2. Digitizing business cards. Gone are the days of manually entering contact details on your phone. You can now take a photo of the business card on your phone and save it directly. This not only helps keep your business contact details organized, but also ensures you never lose contact details given on a physical business card. 3. Translating foreign language text. If your work involves dealing with international clients, documents, or products in a different language, Google Lens can translate text in real time. Simply point your camera at the text, and Google Lens will automatically translate this for you, making it easier to understand communication in a foreign language. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.